Well, it is the sweetest day of the year. The first Friday in June is always National Doughnut Day. The celebration first began back in 1938 as a fundraiser for Chicago's Salvation Army, and now you can celebrate as well. Several Bay Area donut shops offering free donuts today. You can also find all the deals on abcactionnews.com on our free mobile app, or I'm sure if you send a message to Greg, he's already has them all mapped out. All mapped out. There is also a Clearwater brewery serving donut-inspired milkshake IPAs today.
What?
Wow.
How would that taste?
Well, they have the Donut Bee Jelly with raspberries and the Blueberry Jam Band with blueberries, IPAs.
I think we should go check it out.
Yeah.
And Krispy
It's
Kreme,
Friday,
I think,
by the way. Long
may
week.
still.
And it's also 5 o'clock somewhere.
Oh, well.
Right?
Krispy Kreme may still have their blueberry glazed donuts,
wow.
which I have not tried yet.
Why are you looking at me like that?
It's gotta happen, man.